reduces friction to a great extent. This meant that fewer people were needed to pull heavy loads. What we came to know in 2016 is that ancient people knew this trick way back then. Another strange theory is that Stonehenge was built with the help of sound. Yes, sound waves. This theory is called acoustic, in which sound frequency helped in lifting the stones by reducing gravity. Music. This theory was also proved wrong later. But then what is the real theory? Today's archaeologists say that these people used wooden ramp ropes and pulley system. According to new experiments, a team of 100 men could erect a huge stone in just 10 days with the help of only wooden rope and brain. But recent research, on the other hand, also says that Stonehenge was not just for rituals, but it was a hidden road which was aligned exactly in front of the solar sun, i.e., the sun, which is called the sun of the longest day of summer and the shortest day of winter. This means that every stone had a special meaning, its angle and its direction. Everything was placed for a special purpose. It would not be wrong to say that lifting the stones of Stonehenge is only half the secret. The other half is hidden in their positions. A science was used which we are still trying to understand. For thousands of years, people have been asking the same question, that how did people lift such huge stones 4,000 years ago, and that too without the help of any crane? It was not just about lifting, but some stones were brought from 180 miles away, which means lifting stones as heavy as a double-decker and transporting them for 100 miles. So what is the real story? Let's go to 2500 BC, when there were no iron tools, no engineering, and no trace of calculators. Still, how did those people transfer such heavy stones to a distance of 180 miles? There are many theories behind this. The first theory, which people call rolling theory, according to which these people used to pull the stones by placing them on wooden round rollers. But when researchers checked the area, they found out that there was wet land and rivers on the way, where it does not seem possible to bring the stones by rolling them. Then came the second theory. In 2016, the Netherlands, an experiment in 1990 showed that pouring water on sand